Lamb
Grand left, right?
From what I've seen in the program, Amtrak needs at least approximately double of its budget. And I travel in Europe by train all the time.
Oh
and
my
I recently
goodness.
was just on that trip. I recently went from...
Yeah, it'd be nice if you'd signal.
Baseball on the fan, 6:25 free, and game 2 of 4 tonight at City Field, the Mets and the Cardinals.
Yeah, that truck ran the stop sign.
They say if you outlaw guns, only outlaws will have guns. Well, shit, those are precisely the people who need them.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
I once
my
found a throw
God.
rug in a catch basin. One of the best
He's on his phone,
expressions in the
too.
English language is, who says so? I guarantee, if you keep saying, who says so, long enough, sooner or later, someone will take you into custody. Beethoven was so hard of hearing.
What are you doing? Get off your phone.
I went to the Missing Persons Bureau.
What the fuck are you doing? What the hell was that? What the fuck's he doing? And he runs the red light. True blue, baby, I love you. Oh, that truck did a dual turns fail.
We have wind advisories out for northern Connecticut, western Massachusetts. Just over 40 today. Temperatures today in
Right through the red.
30s. That's about it. So again, you...
Oh.
Finance Committee recommended.
Wow. You've got to be kidding me. There's going to be no way in hell I can get around that. I can't even tell if the light's still green or not. Good, at least I got arrow. Jeez, it's supposed to yield.
All he has to do is online with his triangle numbers. So I want him over white, but white over Cooper.
Oh my God, yield to the... Oh my God, you are just fucking stupid.
Both of these kids. Kevin White.
What the fuck? Alright, you see a couple cops slow down to 45? Stay in lane. No. Together, you and me, but mostly me. That was random. That's it, I gotta find a new way. Which one are you going for?
Says famous potatoes. I guess those are the
What?
two extremes in thought.
Oh my god.
It would seem to me that somewhere in between live free or die.
Wow. Oh damn, we gotta get some BJs. We need to get like 20,000 rolls of toilet paper or some shit. Red light runner up there. Why are you guys still turning? Oh my god, get out of the guy's way. You can't turn left there, there's a do not enter sign. Right away. Jeez. Look at this guy. Stop line is way back here. Yeah, look at that guy.
Maturation, about Lagares, about something good happening at shortstop, and then it's about restoration. It's about restoring right.
I gotta love your decision making skills. Of course, another jaywalker and helpful place to park.
Our head assistant attorney general for the Civil Rights Division is already out.
Oh yeah, run across the damn street.
We're working systematically with.
Van ran a red light.
Just the pipeline from schools to prisons, so that we're not rendering many communities
come on.
unemployable because of the felony.
West Coast guy,
Fuck, man.
Good quarterback too.
Whoa, jeez. Can pull that far out?
That's what she said.
Oh my god, you're between two lanes.
Take exit 6, turn right, toward Union Street.
It's red. Definitely ran red light.
That's all there's love.
Not even stop.
That's all there's.
Captain, do you not realize that by destroying the human race because
That's
of their
second
destructive
accident.
tendencies, we too have...
How's that guy doing being in between two lanes? Does it move over, Law? You better move over.
We used to tell them move there's a disease with your name all over it, pal. There ain't no Babe Ruth disease, I'll tell you that much right now. Have a hot dog and a Hummer. Go ahead, it's on me.
I think it says no left turn. I wonder what that sign means. Your ass. Are you just gonna sit there? Are you just gonna sit there?